Hello, this is Frederick with Mosaic Blues, and this evening we are going to create a model for a Roman mosaic border with a graphic method, meaning we are going to combine different graphic elements provided for this particular model. And the mosaic we're going to design the model for is something of this type here. And this type of triangular border has been used in the mosaic of the birds in Italica, close to Sevilla in Spain, which I visited last winter. And so here you have a sample of this border here, and here you have a picture of an actual bird with this border around him. So it's a little sparrow with this triangular border from the city of Italica, the place where Emperor Hadrian was born in the 1st century after death. So first thing we have here is we have a folder in our file manager where we have downloaded the 4 corners 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 4 segments 1, 2, 3, 4, so the 8 file that we are going to need to create our model. And now we're going to GIMP. Those of you who prefer Adobe Photoshop, I suppose you can use exactly the same process to create your model. It's just the commands are going to be slightly different. So first thing we do, we are going to open the corner 1 picture here, and we are going to increase the size of the canvas of the images, canvas size. So we're going to increase it from 157 to 288 to 1000 by 1000 pixel. Resize. There we go. And we are going to export this picture as let's say Italica border .jpg. There we go. And for some strange reason in GIMP you have to close the picture once and then you open it a second time, open recent Italica border, and the background is white. So here we have our image with the corner 1. Next thing we are going to do here is we're going to open the next image, which is segment 1 here. There we are, and we copy this segment here and paste it into our big images. Edit, paste. There it is. Now what we do here, we are going to move this segment to the right of our corner 1. So we do that with our mouse and we fine-tune with our keyboard here. So we have put our element 1, segment 1 here, and now we are going to put another one of element 1. So again, edit, paste here, and we move it here to the right again, and we fine-tune with our keyboard. All right, so now we are going to open corner 2, corner 2, there we go, and we copy it, go back to the main picture and paste it, and we bring it to the right of the last segment, There we go. Now we open segment 2, copy it, get back to the main image and paste it, and bring it right below here, corner 2. There we go. We are going to paste it again, bring it underneath the previous one. There we go. Now we open corner 3, copy it, paste it, open segment 3, copy it, paste it, bring it to the left of the last corner. One more time. So you move it with your mouth and you fine tune with your keyboard. Now let's open corner 4. There we go, copy it and paste it in the main image. There we are. Now open segment 4, the last of them. Copy it, paste it, one more time. And there we go. Now, what we're going to do with GIMP is we are going to adjust the size here. So we bring the toolbox again here and the square selection here. And there we go. Sorry. Do this again. There we go. We don't have to do this. And here is the model we wanted to create for this mosaic. So you can download all the graphic elements you need to produce this kind of video for free on my website, as www.mosaicblues.com. You can also download high resolution graphic elements and the spreadsheet that you need to do the same kind of work for a small fee, again on my website mosaicblues.com. And if you have questions about how to use that, please feel free to contact me either by phone or email. I'll be glad to help you with this. Again, this is Frederick with Mosaic Blues. Enjoy your mosaics.